Okay, hello. I'm just going to use or to take 5 minutes of your time to explain you how you can test Faraday's law in an experiment. Okay, so we're going to talk very quickly about Faraday's law and how to test it. So in order to understand how to test Faraday's law, you need to understand what is Faraday's law. So the first is that Faraday's law refers to an experiment in which the magnetic flux changes to provide an electric current. So basically what we can see here is that the magnetic flux changes to provide an electric current. It's pretty funny because if you have an electric current, you're gonna get a magnetic field. Doesn't matter if the electric current changes or not. However, in order to get an electric current for magnetic field, you need to change the flux of magnetic field. It means that you need to change the magnetic field that crosses a surface. So now, how is the experiment to test Faraday's law? So the first thing you need is a magnet. So we need a magnet. Okay, north and south pole here. And what we're going to use is a coil. Can be on a specific number of turns. I recommend 200 turns. Okay, and connect the coil to an ammeter. So if you have this magnet here and you don't move the magnet, nothing is going to happen to the ammeter. The ammeter is not going to measure anything because we're not changing the magnetic field that crosses the surface, okay, this surface here. But now how to change it? What we're going to do is to set a distance, okay, some height from the magnet to the coil, and we're going to let or drop the magnet. Okay, if you drop the magnet is going to fall, changing the flux of magnetic field through the coil and making an electric current. So my hint is that you measure the highest electric current measured. Okay, so you're going to see the electric current changing, you measure the highest. Now we're going to change the size of the coil. So we have 4 different sizes in this case. We can use a lot. And change the size of the coil and do the same deal. Drop the magnet from some height. I think that it's good to have the same height all the time. And measure the highest electric current you can. So what do you think is going to happen? What do you think? Comment there, what do you think is going to happen with the relation between current and size of the coil? And that's how you can test Faraday's law. So see you in the next video. I hope that you enjoy how to test Faraday's law, and remember to subscribe to my tube. Tell me anything you need. If you don't understand something, let me know. Bye bye.